Hey guys, Noob Cube 88 here. I'm just gonna get right to the point. I've been talking with my siblings about Rubik's Cube foods. And, they both thought of different things. I have a brother and a sister, so they both thought of two different food ideas. One of them thought of lickable stickers on a Rubik's Cube with all different flavors. So, like, red would be a strawberry flavor, and blue would be blueberry, orange would be orange, white would probably be like pineapple or something. And you just lick the stickers and that's it. I don't know what the core tastes like. Black licorice? Ew, no. But, obviously you'd think of something good. Black licorice sucks. Maybe you'd have like a pink core. Because pink flavored items, candy, are always really good. Okay? So, lickable Rubik's Cube stickers. Or, would you rather have a Rubik's Cube cereal where you eat a whole bunch of little Rubik's Cubes that tasted kind of like tricks? Or maybe they'd be like Lucky Charms or something. Have to go away. Oh, there was one there. Man, am I paranoid. But, yeah, that's... And, the Rubik's Cube cereal would have prizes in them. Because cereal's great with prizes. So, in a comment below, tell me which one you would rather have. Lickable candy stickers. Like, you know, I already told you that idea. I haven't slept. I'm tired. Or would you rather have a Rubik's Cube cereal that tastes kind of like tricks, but you're eating a whole bunch of small Rubik's Cubes? So, yeah, tell me in the comments. Peace, suckers!